In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide and lock away your VBA code. This is pretty useful if you're going to be sharing a workbook with someone that has some macros and VBA code inside that you would like to just keep hidden away. If you have a look over here, we've got a very simple subroutine just for a message box to display and say hello, and it's attached to this button here. If I click the button, it says hello. If we want to hide this code, what we can simply do is go to the top of the project viewer, and this is the workbook that it's currently in. We can right click here and go to VBA project properties and go into protection, and we can say click on lock project for viewing, and we'll type in a password. In this case I'm going to type in just 1234 and confirm that. We'll click OK, we'll save that, and we can go back in here and it hasn't taken effect. What we need to do is actually close out of the workbook and reopen it. So I'm going to close that, we reopen the workbook and go back into the editor. We try to look at this code and you can see it's password protected, but we can still click on the button and it still works. So the code all still works inside, but you will not be able to open it up unless you type in the password, and there you have it. Now you can access your code, make any changes, and if I make changes to the here, I can just say hello and goodbye, and we can just save it here, close it, we reopen the workbook and you can see it's saved, and we go back in to the project viewer and again it's still locked, so it's always going to remain locked even if you unlock it for yourself to modify. If we want to completely unlock it, we can just go back into the project properties, remove all of this, save, close our workbook, and then when we reopen the workbook, you can see it's completely unlocked the VBA code for viewing and editing now. One thing that I will mention is that the level of protection that you have for your VBA project is very low. So anyone with a bit of experience or anyone determined enough can quite easily break into this. There's other macros out there that you can download and it will open this up very, very quickly within a second. So it's sufficient enough for the average person who doesn't know anything about VBA, but just be aware that it can be very easily broken into by anyone with a bit of knowledge. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this.